Why most MRIs don't tell the full story about your back pain. You are in pain, you've done an MRI, then the report comes back with pages and pages of findings, but none of it seems to explain what you're feeling. There's no line that says normal. Instead, it says things like mild bulge at L3-4, facet changes at L4-5, early degeneration at L5-S1. It sounds scary, right? You panic, you Google it. You lose sleep, but here's the truth. Most of what's on your MRI is just a part of natural aging, like graying hair or wrinkles on your skin. It's not necessarily the cause of your pain. I'm Dr. Arvind G. Kulkarni. I'm a spine surgeon and director of Mumbai Spine Scoliosis and Disc Replacement Center. And in this video, I want to explain why MRIs don't always reflect what you're feeling, why the report alone doesn't tell the whole story, and why a clinical assessment is far more powerful than just words on a scan. Also, please don't get an MRI without spine specialist recommendation. If you already have, don't try to decode it yourself. Even the radiologist reading it doesn't know your symptoms, your lifestyle, or your exact condition. He doesn't know who you are. So before you assume the worst, watch this video to keep yourself informed. This is something I always tell patients. A MRI is like a camera. It's not a pain detector. It shows structure, not suffering. What does that mean? It means a MRI provides a detailed look at anatomy, the bones, the discs, nerves, joints, etc. And here's what it doesn't show: how your body moves dynamically, which muscles are in spasm, the source of pain, whether your nerves are inflamed or hypersensitive, how your posture, job, or habits are contributing to the pain. So yes, your MRI might say mild disc bulge or age-related changes, but your pain can still be very real and very valid also. In fact, the term MRI psychosis is something I often use for what many patients go through. You get a scan done without proper clinical evaluation, the report comes back filled with medical jargon and descriptions, none of which says normal. You panic, you Google every word, and before you even meet a doctor, you already lost sleep. Let me be very clear, most MRIs will show something, just like how aging causes grey hair, wrinkles, and radiologists reading your scan don't know your symptoms. They're reporting findings, not diagnosing your pain. So don't jump to conclusions. Always let a spine specialist interpret your MRI in the context of your symptoms. The scan is just one piece of the puzzle. The real picture comes from clinical assessment. Here are 5 reasons why your MRI might look normal but you're still hurting. Dynamic instability. Sometimes the MRI looks fine on a still image but becomes unstable when you move, like you bend, stand, twist, change your position. This isn't visible on a static MRI, but can be seen on X-rays with motion views or diagnosed based on clinical signs. Referred pain. Pain felt in your back might actually be coming from somewhere else, like the hips, the sacroiliac joints, or even the abdominal organs. These won't show up on your spine MRI, but can mimic spine pain, muscle imbalance or spasm. Many patients have tight or overworked back muscles, especially due to poor posture, long hours of sitting, sedentary work, weak core muscles. MRI won't show this, but your body feels it every day. Nerve sensitization. Sometimes the nerves themselves become overactive after previous injuries or chronic inflammation. This is called central sensitization and it won't be visible on a scan. Scan quality and reporting. Let's be honest, not all MRIs are the same. Some centers use low-resolution machines. Some reports are template-based or incomplete. And the most important insights come when a trained specialist personally reviews your images, not just a written summary. A MRI report is not your diagnosis. It's just one clue in the hands of the right detective. In today's world, it's natural to search online or to try to interpret your MRI report line by line. But please be very cautious. Phrases like disc desiccation, facet joint hypertrophy, mild bulge at L4, L5 may sound scary, but in many cases, they are just age-related changes and not the cause of your pain. Equally, we have seen patients with severe symptoms and a completely normal-looking MRI because the problem was elsewhere or dynamic. That's why clinical diagnosis matters. Your specialist will consider your history, your symptoms, your physical examination, and your imaging in that order. In India, we often see over-reliance on scan reports. Patients bring 5 reports, no physio done, going to multiple centers for MRIs instead of getting one good consult, getting scared by Google results without speaking to a spine expert, or wasting months on unverified treatments because MRI was normal. So here's our recommendation. Get your scan done at a reputed diagnostic center with a proper resolution. Let a spine specialist personally review your images. Combine the scan data with the physical examination and treat the patient and not just the paper. Pain doesn't live in the report, it lives in your body, and that's where we have to look. This video isn't to say MRI is useless, far from it. It's an essential tool in spine care, but the key is use it at the right time. Interpret it with clinical context. Don't panic or technical words, and don't ignore your pain just because the scan looks normal. Listen to your body. Trust your doctor, not just your report. If you ever felt confused, dismissed, or scared by a scan report that didn't match your pain, you're not alone. The solution isn't more scans, it's better interpretation. Your spine tells the story, the MRI is just the photograph. The real diagnosis is in the hands, ears, and eyes of your doctor. If this video gave you clarity or helped you understand why your MRI may not tell the whole story, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps others avoid confusion and approach their pain the right way. And as always, if you are in doubt, see a qualified spine specialist who can examine you and not just your scan. Thank you for watching.